Today we'll look at living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. So, what are living things? What are non-living things? So this lesson is geared towards enlightening young learners to be able to distinguish between living things and non-living things. In the plain sense of it, living things are those things that have got life or those things that are alive. The question I will ask you is that, are you a living thing or a non-living thing? What makes you different from a non-living thing, or what makes you different from a living thing? So let's see how different they are. So look at this dog, look at the ball, look at this dog, look at the ball. And the next thing we'll look at is, look at this, are they the same? Are they the same? The ball, is the ball the same with the dog? What is different? Now look at the dog, the ball, and the table. Are they the same? All right, in this lesson, we will go about it looking at the different things that we can use to differentiate between living things and non-living things. All right, so there's a table. Let's look at the dog and the table. Which one can eat food? Which of these two, the dog or the table, which one can eat food? Good. Did you say that a dog can eat food or the dog can eat food? That's fine. Next, which of these two can run? The dog. Good. So let's move on. Good. Look at the butterfly. What is happening? The butterfly is on a leaf and it is flapping its wings. Butterfly is a form of movement. So living things are alive. Those things that are alive. How do you know that something is alive? Something is alive if it can move by itself, if it can move from side to side, if it can move from one place to another. Look at this butterfly, it's flapping its wings, so that's a form of movement. So the butterfly is alive. Look at the branch of the tree or the leaves. The leaves are moving due to the motion of the butterfly, which means the tree too is alive. The plant is alive. So look at Bunny. Bunny. Bunny is doing an action. Bunny is an animal. Look at Bunny. Look at rose plant. Rose plant. Rose plant. Lion. Lions are alive. Lions, they are living things. Look at the cow. Cow is a living thing. Okay, so all this will mean those things that have not been killed. Okay, they can move around, they can eat, they can poop. Okay, they can make noise. Good. Non-living things are not alive. Non-living things are not alive. They're dead. Okay. Example. Let's look at some examples. A car is not dead, but a car cannot move on its own. For a car to move, you need to start the engine. It must have fuel in it. It must have a battery. Then someone can drive it. If the car is placed on a slope and it rolls by itself, yes, that is due to force of gravity. You will see that in science, later part of science, forces. Okay, a car is a non-living thing. Next example I have for you, pencil. A pencil. Can a pencil eat food? No. So a pencil is a non-living thing. Next, stones or pebbles. Stones. They are non-living things. Okay? Good. So we see a comparison of the things we know around us. Look at daddy, look at the baby girl, baby boy. These are living things. You, teacher, mommy, daddy, your friends, okay, your dog, your pet. Look at a rat, a mouse. Look at a tree, apple tree, guava tree, banana plant, mango tree. These are common examples around your area where you know they are living things. Cow, buffalo, horses. dogs, pigs. These are living things, okay? And for non-living things, look at umbrella, cap, toy car. Can you name some non-living things that you have? Can you name? What kind of toys do you have? Do you have a doll? Do you have Barbie? Barbie is a non-living thing. Do you have a book? A book is non-living. Do you have a bag? A bag is non-living. What about your pens, your pen? What about your razor? What about your sharpener, pencil sharpener? What about your school bag? These are non-living things. So we have them around us. Good. So in this lesson, we are going to spend time to look at living things. Living things. Let's go. Look at this man is walking and reading. Look at the bunny. The bunny is walking. So here are some things you can do as a living thing. Can you walk? Good. If you can walk, then you are a living thing. So do you walk to go to the toilet? Do you walk to go and get food? Do you walk to go to your bedroom? Do you walk to get into the car? You are a living thing. What are they doing? Drinking water. So living things need water to stay alive. Okay, they need water to stay alive. So the next thing living things do is what is a cat doing? What is a dog doing? Did you say poop? Yes, you poop. And the word in science is excrete. You pass out waste, things that your body does not need. Okay, when you eat food, the remains that your body does not want, you pass it out as poop, excretion. Or you sweat, like the water, excess water, you sweat it out. Or your tears as well, your tears will be waste. Okay, you excrete. Living things do excrete. Look at the man, what is he doing? Do you eat food? What is he eating? Can you see? Good. Did you say broccoli? Excellent. Good job. He is eating broccoli. So we eat broccoli, we eat vegetables, we eat fruits, we eat food, we eat snacks. Okay? They are all good for our growth. Next, what will happen if you cannot breathe in air? If you cannot have air for a couple of minutes, you will die. So you have to be careful, okay? You will die. So living things do breathe in air. They breathe in oxygen and they send out carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide that animals send out, plants need them to make their own food. When they make their food, they give us oxygen because oxygen is a byproduct, it's a waste for them. So we get it. So it helps us live with plants in the same environment. What is this? Yes. Where does it live? So some live in salty water, some live in fresh water, all right? So some live in swampy areas. So fish, they live in water. Do you have a fish at home as a pet? What happens if you don't put water? You don't put it in water for some time. What happens? It will die. Good job. Good job. So fish live in water. Next, what is this? Good. You can say plant. You can say lotus plant. Okay, lotus flower. Good. Lotus. Where does it grow? Where does it grow? If you look at the picture, a lot of water. A lot of water. They need a lot of water to thrive. So they grow in swamps, right? In swamps. Next, what is this? Ta-da! Is this an alligator? Is this a crocodile? So alligators, crocodile, but here we'll take a crocodile, okay? So they live in swamps, okay? They live in swamps. Where are these animals? Look very well. Where are they? Where are they? Yeah, they're buffaloes. Buffaloes. Free buffaloes. Where are they? They are in water. What will happen if they submerge? They are submerged in water, which means they cannot come up. The water covers them. What will happen? They will drown and die because they cannot breathe inside water. Okay? They cannot breathe inside water, just like you and I. Okay? So they will die. Next. What can live in or under water? Ta-da! Have you gone snorkeling? If you go snorkeling, you will see fish species of this form. You see, you will see Nemo. So you see turtle. Turtle, they spend part of their life in water and part on land. Okay, so they can live in both places. Turtle. Look at fish. Look at the corals. Corals, they live in water. They grow in water. Look at the fish. Different species of fish. Do you know any other thing that live in water? Baby shark, baby shark, sharks, whales, okay, dolphins, good job, tunas, excellent, good. What can live on land? Good. Horses. What else? Buffaloes, you and I, people, humans, dogs, cats, can you name them? Hamster, excellent. So there are many animals that do live on land. What can live on trees? Do you know? On trees. Yes, some snakes do live on trees. Excellent. What else? Taran, birds. Birds. They make their nests on tree tops, on trees, using branches, trees, right? Birds. What of monkeys? Gorillas. Good. So there are many animals that will live on trees. Oh, excellent. Did you say koala? Yes, koala. Good. What can live where there isn't much water? We call it desert. Desert. We have a famous plant that will always survive in the desert. The cactus plant. The cactus plant. Good. The desert snake. Look at the picture. Can you say which one is a living thing? Can you say which one is a living thing? Look at the water. The water is moving. Look at the tree. Look at the sky. Look at the clouds. Which one is a living thing? Good job. Check. Excellent. The coconut tree or the tree is the living thing. Where do you live? Are these animals or plants? They are. Write your answer. Cherry plant, orange plant, mango plant. Are they living things or non-living things? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being part of this lesson. I hope you did learn something new. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, and I hope to bring you more in the next production. Bye bye.